Mental Math, Part A. Addition properties. Commutative property. When we have 1.5 plus 0.5, it's the same as 0.5 plus 1.5. As you see here, we can change their order normally, and will always give us the value of 2. Let's see here, we have 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 2 plus 3. What if we change their order 3 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 1.5? Nothing will happen. It will give us also the same answer, 7. Okay, so we know now from the commutative property we can take any number and put it in any place we want. Okay, associative property. Now we can take any two numbers and add them together first. Like 1.5 plus 0.5, we can take these two first, or 0.5 and 2, we can take these two first, or of course 2 plus 3, we can take these two first. And will always give us the value 7. So whatever you start with these two, or these two, or these two, it will give you the same value. Whatever you do, you change their places, it will also be the same. Add these numbers. We have 2.47 and 3.35. Okay, we will add the 5 and 7, it will be 12. So we'll put 2 here and 1 here. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 3, it will give us 8. Then finally we have 2 plus 3, it will have 5.82. Okay, there is another method here. It's called the compensation. Let's say we have 2.47, the same number, and 3.35. We can add 0.03 to the 2.47 to make it 2.5 or 2.50 to make this addition easier. So now we have 5 plus 0, then 5 plus 3, it will be 8, then 2 plus 3, it's 5.85. But no, not yet. The answer is not yet complete. We need to subtract the 0.03 we added at the first place to make it 2.5. So the final answer will be 5.82. Okay, we have 2.1 plus 0.9 plus 1.4. Okay, we can use the properties like the commutative and the associative to answer this question. It will be easier if we added the 2.1 and 0.9 first. Let's take these two first. So we have 2.1 and 0.9. 0.1, 0.1 and 9 will give us 10. So we'll put 0 here and the 1 will be here. So 1 plus 2 plus 0, so it will be 3. So the answer will be 3 to this part only. Okay, so we still have 3 plus 1.4. So it's easy now. 3 plus 1.4. 4, there is nothing above the 4, so it will be 4. Then 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the answer is 4.4. Or of course you can add them like that. Add the three numbers together like that. We have 1 plus 9 plus 4, so it will be 14. There's 4 in here and 1 will go in here. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1, which is 4. But of course this is easier, you know. Exercise 1. We have 7.03 plus 9 plus 3.07. I think if we take the 7.03 plus 3.07 will be easier for some. Okay, so here's 7.03 and 3.07. Okay, 3 plus 7 is 10, so we'll put 0 here and the 1 will go here. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Then finally the 7 plus 3, it's 10, so 0 will be here and 1 will go here. Here you go. Okay, so we have 10.1 plus the 9. You have 10.1 plus 9. 1 here, there is nothing under the 1, so it will go down. We have 0 plus 9, it will be 9. Then 1 plus nothing under the 1, so it will go down also. So the answer will be 19.1. Okay, we have 22 plus 4.6 plus 4.4. Of course, I prefer to take the 4.6 and 4.4 first together. 4.6 and 4.4. So 6 and 4 will be 10. So we'll have 0 here, and then we'll go here. 1 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so you have 9 plus 22. Okay, 22 here plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 will be here, and the other one will go here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's 31. We have 1.9 plus 3.4. Of course, we can add them normally, but we can use the compensation to make it easier. So you can add here 0.1 to make it 2. So we have 2 plus 3.4. There is nothing above the 4. It will go down. Then we have 2 plus 3. So it's 5. Don't forget to subtract the 0.1 you added before here. So it's 5.3. Here you go. Okay, we have 3.6 plus 11.99. We have 3.6 plus 11.99. We can add 0.4 here to make the 3.64. So it will be 4 plus 11.99. There's nothing above these two 9s, so they will go down. We have 4 plus 1, it's 5. Then nothing above the 1, so it will go down 2. So you have 15.99. Never forget to subtract the 0.4 you added before up here. So you will get 15.59. Okay, 6.8 plus 2.1. Let's add these numbers. 6.8 plus 2.1. If we add here 0.2 to make this 6.87, then we have nothing above the 1 here. It will go down. 2 plus 7, it will be 9. So don't forget to subtract 0.2. So we have 9.1 minus 0.2, it will be 8.9. So you see, if we add them normally, it will be easier, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. There were no need to use the compensation here. So remember, only use the compensation when it will make it easier for you. Okay. That's it for today's session. This part is just for fun.